If your Xbox Series X is stuck on an update, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Restart your console. Power off your Xbox Series X completely by holding the power button for about 10 seconds. Wait a few moments, then turn it back on to see if the update continues. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by testing your network settings in the console settings menu. If there are issues, try resetting your router or connecting via a wired connection. Step 3. Clear the cache. To clear the cache, power off the console, unplug it from the power source, and wait for at least 10 seconds. Plug it back in and turn it on. This can help resolve temporary issues. Step 4. Perform a hard reset. If the update is still stuck, perform a hard reset. Hold the power button and the eject button simultaneously until you hear a second beep. This will reset the console and may help resume the update. Step 5. Factory reset last resort. If all else fails, consider factory reset. Go to Settings, System Console, Info, Reset Console. Choose Reset and keep my games and apps to preserve your data while resetting the system. If these steps do not resolve the issue, you may need to contact Xbox support for further assistance.